Hello, friends. I had dogs barking. Maybe it's Bing and Rolly calling us for help? Let's go over there and check it out. Let's go. Okay, we need 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, corners number 1. Where is corners number 1? Oh, look, I see corners number 1. And where is your place, corners? I don't know. Maybe this? No, it's not right. Okay, or this? Oh no, I'm wrong. This? Okay, and warrant number 4. This. Ta-da! we did it. Which puzzle number 1? Okay, let's go. Corners number 2. Where is your place? This? No, it's not right. This? Okay. This. Yes! 2 peach puzzles we have. Oh! And where is corners number 3? Oh yeah! Look, it is gorgeous, and we need think your place. Yes, where is your place? I think so. This. And corners number 4. This. Ta-da! Yes. Now we have 4 corners. Woohoo! And we did now 4 line. Ta-dam, 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 tam. We need all peach puzzles with line. And I see 1 peach with line. Left or line? Okay, maybe this? No, it's not right. Or this? Yes, and we need this. Oh, look, I see, and I think so. These peach puzzles only this. Yes. Now we need peach puzzles with line this. Look, it's yellow color and this yellow color. I think so. We need peach puzzles with yellow color. This and this. Oh, no, not. And I think so. These peach puzzles. Maybe this? No, it's not right. Or this? Yes! Good. And these peach puzzles, this. And now we need peach puzzles with line this. We have only 2 peach puzzles, 1 and 2 with line this. And I think though, these peach puzzles, this. Yes! Good. Yes! Right! Oh. And these peach puzzles only this. And now we have all peach puzzles with line. Yoo! And we need only 2 peach puzzles in the center. Yes? Okay. Where is number 1? No, it's not right variance. Where is number 2? Yes. Good. And beach puzzles the end.
I'm flying! I'm falling!
I'm flowing. Cool, being and rolling. Friend, I think it was being calling for help when he fell on the couch. Thanks for you helping me put the puzzle together and figure it out. I couldn't have done it without you. Please subscribe and like this video and see you. Bye.